Today we're gonna make pumpkin cocktails. We're making a pumpkin mule, pumpkin margarita, and a pumpkin spice white Russian. I love making pumpkin drinks and trying all different recipes. So today we're gonna do with a white Russian. So here's a glass. We're gonna do ice in a glass. Pull that up. And we're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. 1 ounce of Kahlua. And then we're gonna make our own pumpkin spice creamer. So we're gonna use here 1 ounce of milk, a tablespoon of pumpkin puree. Then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. You can click here for the recipe on how to make your own pumpkin spice. You're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of maple syrup. And we're gonna whisk this together. So we made here our pumpkin spice creamer, but I'm gonna add in a little bit more milk. Well, that's perfect. Now to float that into our drink, we're just gonna use the back of the spoon. So we can layer that in there. Perfect. We're gonna do a little whipped cream on top. Sprinkle a little pumpkin pie seasoning. Look at that. Oh, looks delicious. Cheers. Cocktail time. Today we're gonna make a pumpkin spice mule. So we're gonna get started with our shaker and some ice. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, pumpkin puree. We're gonna do maple syrup. And we're gonna shake this up. Perfect. Now, you can do a copper mule glass, but I don't have one today, so I'm gonna do in this regular glass here, fill this all the way up. We're gonna pour it on top. Perfect, and we're gonna top that off with ginger beer. Delicious. Cinnamon stick. Oops. Cinnamon stick for garnish, and a little pumpkin pie seasoning on the top. And this cocktail's ready. It's cocktail time. Today we're gonna make a pumpkin margarita. So we have a margarita glass here. I have a wedge of lime. So we're gonna put the lime on the edge of the glass, and I have some cinnamon sugar. So we're gonna put the cinnamon sugar on the glass, and then we're gonna fill that up with some ice. So that one's ready for our cocktail. So now we have our shaker, ice, and we're gonna get started with 2 ounces of tequila. One ounce of fresh lime juice. 1 ounce of Cointreau. 1 ounce of maple syrup. We're gonna do about 1.5 ounces of pumpkin puree. Right in there. And about 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't know how to make pumpkin pie spice, you can click here and see how I made it at home. So we're gonna put that in there, and we're gonna shake this up. Okay, we're gonna pour this right over our ice. Smells delicious. We're gonna garnish that with a lime and a cinnamon stick. And this cocktail's ready. do I start with? I'm gonna go with the mule. For all 3 recipes, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products. Cheers.